How to open Revolut business account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open up your browser and you can open up any browser, then search for Revolut business. After that, you need to open up the first link that you will see on the Google search results. Make sure that you click on the link which is right below the sponsored post. So just select it and wait for it to load. After that, you will find this option of join now over here. Just click on it. Now wait for it to load, and here you will have to select the kind of business account that you are looking for, whether it is a corporate account, freelancer account, or you want to join a company. Just select any of the option, then select the country of residence, click on continue, and after that you will have to provide your email address. Let me provide mine, or you can also sign up with Google. After that, it will ask you to provide your phone number. Then a 6-digit code will be sent on your mobile number. You need to put that code over here. And in case if you don't receive it, then simply click on resend. And this way you would be able to create a business account on Revolut. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.